now day 3 of SEMA, and I don't know what we're doing today. I have a bunch more meetings and stuff on my schedule, but I'm still gonna go check out some cars and whatnot. Lots of you guys have been DMing to check out a few cars, so we'll go and try and find them. There's just so much here, and I think even though I'm here for the whole week, it's gonna be impossible for me to be able to see everything. It's just, there's so much here. Like, when I say that this is 10,000 times more than Tokyo Auto Salon, I am not joking. This is insane. We're in the Lexus/Toyota booth, and we're having a look at their new concept car, which is supposed to be the successor to the LFA, but it's a full electric sports car. You can really see just how much inspiration they got from the LFA. It looks cool. I like it. I wonder if this will ever come into production. Yo, what's up, man? It looks cool. The taillight design is sick. I love that a lot. Interesting. It's going to be very interesting in the next 5 to 10 years to see what manufacturers do with cars. If they're going to go full, like all in electric, or if they're going to stick to hybrid or stick to combustion. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. It looks cool. I don't know. I don't know if I can drive a car that goes woo instead of vroom, you know what I mean? If you guys remember, we got this key in Okinawa.
Now we're in Las Vegas.
And now we're in Las Vegas, and I'm handing it over.
Is this the key to your heart, SAMMIT?
No, this is the key to your heart. Well, actually, people are going to be upset because you don't have a Toyota motor in your 8.6, but that is
But it's still a Toyota.
It is still a Toyota.
And it has the heart of a 8.6. Right? Kind of has the soul. I'll say it has the soul.
It has the soul of an 8.6.
I believe not the physical heart, but the soul.
Because you got the ITBs and you've got the headers.
High revving, 4-cylinder.
And it's not turbo, so it's perfect.
You know, you're a real easy guy to find here, by the way.
You think so?
Well, you're like, what are you, are you 6'5"?
6'3".
You're 6'3"?
You're a little bit taller than me.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually have to hold the camera up. It's great.
Okay, so, and you got a big ass pink head, so I was like, oh, there's SAMMIT.
It's pretty easy to find me, yeah. Whenever I don't want to be found,
here we go. We'll put you in a K-pop band and everything's great.
Yeah. So I finally found this car that tons of my friends and you guys were DMing me to check out. So this is a Pantera. I think I said that right. Mid-engine, looks insane. I've never seen anything like this. I do not know my American cars that well, but I appreciate the hell out of this. This is so cool. Yo, he has like those USB ports, or is that a PowerPoint there? I think it's a PowerPoint. So cool. I think one of the guys was saying that this is a GT40 front end conversion. Tell me in the comment section if that's right. Like I said, I don't know too much about my American cars, but this is fire. Love it. So this might seem really, really obvious, but I've never seen so many V8s in one place in my life. Obviously, we're in America, and that's to be expected, but still, it blows my mind. So many V8s. And what's crazy is most of them are generally the same engine, just with different bolt-ons. A lot of LSs. I can't imagine what like LS Fest would be like, but yeah, definitely very, very cool. Check this out, guys. HKS booth here. One thing I definitely want to come check out is their turbos, because they're now using Garrett turbos again. And look at these bad boys. I believe this is the G25 550, but they call it the GT40 950. And it's really cool because it's an identical like G Series turbo, but it's got the new Surge housing on there for HKS, and it's gold. Very cool. I love the little HKS GT plates they put on these too. Very cool. This is really cool that HKS is doing this for the G25 too, because we could put this on an SR, it'd be fire. They got a bunch of their stuff on display, pistons, conrods, crank, but they've also got their GR86 on display. Loving the Advent GT wheels with the endless brakes. I believe this is running their supercharger kit. So cool they've already developed all that stuff for it. But obviously it is pretty similar to the older generation 8.6, so I wonder if there was much they had to change. Still though, very cool. Love the old HKS livery. But on to the next one. So we're now in the Hoonigan's burnyard right now. Obviously you can hear it, guys ripping a set. But there's some crazy cool cars here. It's awesome. Very nice. Goddamn. I have no idea if any of you guys can hear me. This is so loud, I'm staying behind the containers to protect my ears. But this car, this thing got hot. I wish I saw it. Into the wall and looks like a bit of fire. A lot of extinguisher dust everywhere. Yo, Stevie!
What's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's good?
Chilling, man.
Let's do it. This is nuts. I'm getting out of here. I can't think. We are currently at the Vibrant booth. And look at this 32 with the infinity tails, man. So cool. This car is very unique. It's had a lot of hours put into it, and there are so many intricate details. I'm actually here with the person who built the car.
What's up, guys?
Super cool. Like, just have a look in the engine bay real quick, guys. This is wild. Mechanical fuel pump, big turbo, very intricate looking exhaust manifold. Did you make this manifold?
Yes, that was on me.
That's crazy, man. Cerakoted.
Cerakote, of course.
Nice big gate down there,
Oh,
PLP
yeah.
kit. Like, I love that the valve cover's all been nicely shaped. Now you got that going into that nice like hardline kind of thing up there. It's beautiful, man. Absolutely beautiful. The attention to detail on this car is amazing. Nice little covers here in the corner. Go to a nice
It's like 350Z or like R35
Yeah.
related. So the owner Brad, like he was like, bro, I've got an R35. We gotta hide some stuff back there.
yeah. No, it's genius. I love it because you tie this in, you bolt it in. You didn't just weld it.
I think we'll see this. I think we'll probably see this.
It's happening a lot more. Yeah.
It'll start happening a lot more for sure. It just tidies things up and it really like shows off this, which is great. But yeah, man, this is such a great build. There's so many little details about this car that I love. Moving into the interior, carbon, what do you call these door cards? Billet speakers, like speaker covers. I love this carbon piece here, but what's even cooler is the dash doesn't have a bubble. I believe it's got a dog box as well.
Sequential.
Sequential.
Yep.
Oh, that's cool.
Hollinger.
Hollinger sequential. All these little like billet things that they made for all the buttons, and I believe this is for the nitrous purge, right?
Yeah, one's nitrous purge and one's interior lights.
Yep, and then this is air ride stuff. Yep. And then in the back, it gets even more crazy. So like the back seat's obviously gone, you got all the air tank stuff in there. You got the nitrous bottles, twins by the way. Some Paul Walker style stuff. But like, look at all these like bulkhead plates they made, guys. This is what I love, like when people go to the effort of making sure that everything's nice like this, and the bulkhead plates just look beautiful because they're billet as well. Everything about this is awesome. Like,
So
look,
if you want to blow their mind, just press that one button close to the e-brake.
this one?
Yep, and then look back there. See the lights are
Oh wow, yeah, that's cool. That's awesome, dude. I'll turn that back off. Even the billet plate there for the window buttons and everything. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The rear, it gets even better.
Gets even better.
This is probably my favorite part. So we'll close this door, and by the way, they close so perfectly. On a 20, 30-year-old car,
every
you
now
know?
and then, it's still a GTR, you still gotta slam it every now and then.
Yeah, every now and then. Old Nissans need that. So the trunk here has a custom sound system built into it. Running my boys in Australia, the Frenchies, top hat, and I love that they did this custom acrylic thing here. But then like, once again, like they've made like a, like, I don't know what you call this, like a bulkhead or something for all the fueling.
Yeah, so it's really just a decorative plate, honestly.
Yeah.
Because we got a lot of stuff going on behind it.
Yeah, and it just hides all that, right?
Yeah.
That's great. And then this is my favorite feature.
You want to
So
show
you guys thought this was an RB power thing? It's actually Tesla. There's a little power plug there. So that's to charge the batteries, right?
Yes. Yeah. So the batteries are underneath all that carbon stuff, really
Yeah.
hard to access.
Yeah.
So let's just make sure it's already all stays charged by that.
And there's
I
just
can't
a
believe
trickle
these-
charger in there, right?
Yeah, it's a 10 amp charger, so it's a pretty big
Cool.
charger. It's been running these lights since 8 a.m. this morning.
Yeah.
I don't know how these batteries are still doing it, but they're still kicking.
Infinity lights are the coolest thing ever.
Yeah, they're sick.
They really are. Some people think they're tacky, but I love it. Carbon trunk. Look at even the plate here for the wing is billet alloy. Just all these little details that I can really appreciate about the car. Very clean, very, very nice. So I am exhausted, and I'm thinking about going to the hotel, take a nap before I have a after party to go to tonight. It still blows my mind just how big this event is. I really have no chance to see everything here. One of the main reasons why I want to leave a little early is so I don't have to deal with the mad rush where everyone's trying to get a taxi and an Uber and stuff to get away from the event. because then you end up waiting here for like 2 hours before anyone comes and picks you up, and it sucks because you lose a bunch of time. So if I leave an hour early now, get to the hotel, take a 2-hour nap, perfect. Go out, have dinner, meet everyone, have a good time, and then we do it all again tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. I think this video will go up at like 1 p.m. Time here in Vegas. If you are at SEMA, come see me at the HKS booth from 2 to 2:30 p.m. I'm doing a meet and greet there. It'll be good to see you all. Good nap, and we're back out. We're actually in downtown Las Vegas. This is my first down on Fremont Street. We're gonna be catching up with some of the taxi garage guys. They're doing an event tonight with some drift carts. So we're gonna have some fun there, but this is so wild. There's also White Castle here. I've never eaten White Castle, so maybe I need to do that later tonight. This place looks awesome. Oh man, there's a place called the D. I think I know what they were going for there. So this is sick. Now I just gotta find out where I'm meeting everyone. Oh wait, there's like a flying fox up there. You can ride those lines? Wow, that's cool. All right guys, we made it. Simple plan and all. That's Simple Plan, right? I don't know. If you guys don't remember Nick, this is the taxi garage main guy. He's a mad lad. And we're here for his little shindig. Is that American, shindig?
Shindig is an American.
All right.
I don't know actually.
All right.
It could be Cockney.
All right.
It's Cockney.
All right. Whatever that means. But this is it. It's like electric go-karts. They all do drifting and... Oh, he spun out. These damn street races, man.
Yeah, I know. So this here is where...
This is... Yeah, out here's better than...
Chaos.
There's only like, 200 people crammed into this building.
Trying to demand things.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
We're not going to be able to drive at all tonight.
This was a pop-up party that we came up with this morning.
Yeah.
Made a flyer and said, okay, listen, we're gonna do drift karting. And then RJ came up with this crazy idea that he's gonna do like a team tandem battle. But then we shared the flyer, and now there's at least 200 people here.
Which I think is your fault, because you were just airdropping it to everyone at SEMA.
I did. I airdropped.
Wandering through the food court. Oh, look at this person. Look at this person. I shared
At least 80 flyers on airdrop.
So yeah, there's like 200 people in this room, all lining up, still waiting to register and pay. So I don't think we'll be able to drive tonight, but I'm gonna hang out.
Chair Slayer. Rob
Yeah, they literally kicked out Chair Slayer.
Vaughn walks in and walks out.
Vaughn was in and out. Vaughn's like, oh yeah, we're not doing this round.
Unreal, dude.
So we've decided that the party was a success, other than no one has drove.
I don't even need to drive, man. Just watching this chaos is great. It's awesome. But anyways, I'm gonna chill for a bit, and then afterwards we'll go out and get some food on the main. What do you call that? What's the street?
Fremont.
Fremont. I think I said Vermont before.
Look at this guy's drifting and fucking...
Yeah, you're
Love it.
actually pretty good.
Oh no! Double spin. Looks like a lot of fun. Bro, you alright? Nick's just like on the floor laughing.
Beer in. Only one beer in.
It is pretty funny. The owner's lost it. He can't handle the amount of people in here.
This is funny.
Typical taxi garage. That's exactly what this is. We have a saying when shit goes like this.
Why don't you just bring like 20 carts? We could have just like pulled those off.
Next year.
Next year, yeah, we're doing something big.
Nice.
Colton, Alberto, Justin. Right here, this crew. Ian.
It was going to take too long to get on the track. So I'm hanging out with the boys from FDM. And there's a street band before me. Let's go. What's that saying about Vegas? Don't they say it's like the city that never sleeps? Because, yeah, it's still going, that's for sure. It's not super, super late, but it's definitely late. Anyways, guys, that is the end of day 3 for SEMA in Las Vegas. I've definitely been just having such a good time, and I think this is such an important event as well for influencers and content creators. Even if you are small or larger or in the middle, it doesn't really matter. Like, this is such a good place for you to network with people, such a good place for you guys to meet brands and companies that you want to work with. So like, there's a lot of that stuff happening behind the scenes. Obviously, like a 15, 20 minute vlog doesn't cover like any of the stuff that I've been doing, especially like considering I'm also here by myself. hopefully next year when I come, I'll bring like a camera person. Hopefully we'll have that person hired and working for SAMMIT HQ by then. But as you guys know, can probably tell, like I am really, really busy. I've already gone through a whole box of business cards, which is mind blowing to me as well. But it's just been so good to meet so many people, catch up with them, or just meet new people and put a face to their names, people that I've looked up to, all that type of stuff in the industry. So it's been really, really cool. And like the culture over here in Vegas is nuts. It's crazy. So anyways, I'm just having a really good time. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write a comment, and subscribe. If there's any cars you want to see me check out tomorrow at SEMA that you know about, put it down in the comment section. I'll make sure I'll see it because this video will go live at 1 p.m. my time. And well, we'll leave it at that. Tomorrow's the last day, so hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget, if you are coming to SEMA, make sure you come see me at between 2 and 2:30 at the HKS booth in Central Hall. See you guys there. Peace out. Jamata.
And you got a big ass pink head, so I was like, oh, there's SAMMIT.
It's pretty easy to find me, yeah. Whenever I don't want to be found,
There we go. We'll put you in a K-pop band and everything's great.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I can drive a car that goes woo instead of vroom, you know what I mean?